When solving quadratic inequalities, the first thing you want to do is set the inequality to 0. So you want to move all the terms to one side. Solve the quadratic using both greater than or less than, or greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. Either one of these, depending on what you started with. Check your solutions for both signs, and then write your final solution. Don't forget to use words and or, depending on which way your inequalities are going. So I'm going to move my 12 over. So I'd have x squared minus 4x minus 12 would be greater than 0. So I don't want to set up both my inequalities. I'm going to use greater than 0, and I want to do x squared minus 4x minus 12 is less than 0. So I have to solve both of these. And the easiest way is to factor, if it is factorable. This one is. So I have x and x from my first two terms. Then I want to multiply to negative 12 and subtract to 4. So 6 and 2 multiply to 12 and we'll subtract to 4. And then I just have to figure out where my signs go. So I have a negative 12, so that means I have to have a plus and a minus. And a negative 4 means I want my larger term to be negative. So x minus 6 is greater than 0. X plus 2 is greater than 0. So I'd get x is greater than 6. And I get x is greater than negative 2. And if I solve the other inequality, I'd get x minus 6 is less than 0. X plus 2 is less than 0. X would be greater or less than 6, and x would be less than negative 2. So now this is when I need to check and figure out which one out of this pair and which one out of this pair is going to work. Because both pairs, or both solutions in one pair shouldn't work. So I have negative 2 and 6 that I need to check. So I want to check something below, in between, and above. So picking something below would be negative 3. Picking something in between would be 0. And picking something above would be 7. To check in negative 3, back into my original. Negative 3 squared minus 4x squared. And I want to see if it's greater than 12. And it would be. If I check 0, 0 squared minus 0 would give me not greater than 12, so that one doesn't work. And if I check 7 into my original, it does work. So my solutions are x is less than negative 2, and x is greater than 6, and you need that word or in between.